Awning windows are a favorite among Miami Beach homeowners thanks to their excellent ventilation, stylish design, and ability to stay open even during light rain. But the same coastal climate that makes them so useful, warm temperatures, heavy humidity, and salty ocean air, can also create challenges when it comes to keeping them clean and functioning smoothly. With proper care and maintenance, however, awning windows can stay beautiful, durable, and efficient for many years. Here's how to maintain and clean your awning windows so they stay in top condition despite Miami Beach's humid, salt-rich environment. Clean your awning windows regularly to prevent salt buildup. Living near the coast means your windows are constantly exposed to salty air. Salt particles can cling to glass and frames, causing a cloudy appearance and gradually damaging the finish over time. To prevent this, rinse the windows with fresh water before wiping to remove loose salt. Use a mild soap solution on glass and frames. Avoid harsh chemicals that may damage the finish. Dry thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. A gentle but regular cleaning routine, once every 2 to 4 weeks, is especially important in Miami Beach's oceanfront neighborhoods. Inspect and lubricate moving parts to keep them operating smoothly. Awning windows use hinges and crank mechanisms to open and close. In humid climates like Miami Beach, moisture and salt can cause hardware to corrode or become stiff. Maintain smooth operation by applying silicone-based lubricant to hinges and cranks, avoiding oil-based products that attract dirt and can gum up the mechanism, wiping away dust, sand, or salt deposits around the hardware, checking screws and fasteners for early signs of rust. Taking this small step every few months will keep your awning windows opening effortlessly. Protect window frames from humidity and moisture damage. Whether your awning windows are made from vinyl, aluminum, or wood, Miami Beach humidity can shorten their lifespan without proper care. Vinyl frames. Wipe down frames regularly to prevent mildew growth. Aluminum frames. Rinse frequently to prevent oxidation and salt corrosion. Wood frames. Inspect for moisture-related issues such as swelling or peeling. Reseal or repaint is needed to protect the wood. Regardless of material, regular cleaning helps preserve the appearance and integrity of your window frames. Keep an eye on weather stripping and seals. Humidity and heat can cause seals and weather stripping to become brittle or loose. Because these components keep your home insulated and energy efficient, it's important to check them frequently. Tips for maintaining seals. Look for cracks, gaps, or peeling. Replace weather stripping that no longer forms a tight seal. Clear dirt or sand that may be preventing full closure. Ensure the window locks securely without resistance. Maintaining tight seals helps reduce cooling costs, especially valuable in Miami Beach's warm climate. Prevent mold and mildew buildup. The mix of humidity and warm temperatures makes Miami Beach homes especially prone to mold growth. Awning windows are often installed in moisture-heavy areas like kitchens and bathrooms, making regular mildew prevention essential. You can reduce mold risk by cleaning frames and sills with a vinegar and water solution, ensuring windows dry fully after washing, checking the corners of the frame for moisture buildup, improving room ventilation when possible. Keeping mold at bay not only protects your windows but also improves indoor air quality. Schedule annual professional inspections. Even with great home maintenance, Miami Beach's coastal environment can take a toll. Having a window professional inspect your awning windows once a year helps identify hidden corrosion, early signs of frame deterioration, issues with alignment, or hardware seal failures you might overlook. A professional tune-up ensures your windows stay strong and functional for years. Keep your awning windows looking great in Miami Beach's climate. With the right care, awning windows can hold up beautifully against Miami Beach's humidity and coastal conditions. Regular cleaning, hardware lubrication, seal checks, and professional inspections will help your windows maintain their performance, clarity, and longevity. By giving your windows the attention they need, you'll continue enjoying fresh breezes, great views, and year-round comfort, no matter how humid the Miami Beach weather gets.